Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching another episode of Lindsay Time. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be sharing to you a quick and easy tutorial on how I do my nails using this Kids Impress press-on manicure nails. These are so easy to use, and per box it comes with 30 nails. So as you can see, I have a lot of it, and I've already been using this for almost a year now, and it's really effective for me. It's working, and it lasts for like 2 to 3 weeks on me. I do the dishwashing and all that every day. I cook and like that, so I always get my hand wet, but still these nails are so good. It's not coming off, unlike the other nails, because I tried the one from Kids that's using a glue. That's not working for me, especially when I always use water, so it always easily comes off. While for this one, I don't know, it really works for me. It's so good. So I just want to share to you how I do it and share to you my thoughts about this one. These are my nails right now. I cut it very short and I already cleaned it, and I'm gonna show you how I prepare my nails before putting on this fake nails. So let's start. So guys, I'm gonna be choosing this one. It's just a white, and then there's an accent here. Okay, so this one, it is a product from Kids. Kids is really nice. They have really a lot of selections for nails, and this is the best one for me. So it says that no glue needed. It includes 30 nails and 6 accents. So the accents are this one, same style, so 6 of those. And then this is how it looks like, the packaging, and when you open it, there, it's nice. So no glue needed because there's already an adhesive there, as you can see. And here at the back is a prep pad, and then this one, pusher, because you need to push the dead skin away, push back, and the instruction. So the first thing you do is to clean with a prep pad and then peel off. So you can see here, this one, if you see this little plastic here, so it should be that way, that direction. So this is the right thing. So next step is putting on your, of course you need to check first. There are designated numbers to each nail. So like for example, this one, this is 0, 7. So let's see, for example, this one fits perfectly. So after you select your size, align it, of course remove this, and then you need to push back. Press it for at least 10 seconds, or when it's already firm or you think it's okay. So that is it. That's the instruction. Oh, aside from the prep pad, I forgot to mention they have this like file just to remove the shine on your nails, so that the fake nails will last longer on your real nails, so it will stick better too as well. Okay, so let's open it and then just wipe it with this. This is an important step as well, to dehydrate your nails. And then after that, you need to push like that. If you see the difference, it was pushed backward and this one isn't. So you need to push the cuticle backward like that. give a room for the end of the nail. So basically that's how it looks like. You see the difference. So just do it on all the nails. So now that I'm done with pushing my cuticles backward, now I'm ready to file it, but don't file too much because it's gonna make your nails thinner and you won't like that. So just gentle and make sure that there's gonna be no shine. The nails will stick longer when you buff it nicely. And usually if it's shiny, if you don't buff it, it will just come off so fast because it won't stick that good. Wipe it with a piece of cloth. Don't use the prep pad again. So there. Just make sure that there's no shine in your nails anymore. So here there's a little bit shine, so we don't like that. So just continue buffing it. I don't put too much pressure on it, guys, just so you know. Okay, so now that I'm both done with my hands, I'm gonna be ready now to pick the sizes that is right for my nails. So 0, let's see, this is too big on the side, so that's a no. This one is number 3, that's too small, so I guess 1 or 2. 2, this is perfect, it's number 2. So I'm just gonna be lining it up here. This is for my left hand. And the accent, I usually put it here or my ring fingers. So I think to put it here though. So basically that's how you check your size. Make sure it don't go over your skin too much, so it will look good and fit perfectly on your nail. Hey guys, so I already chose my desired sizes for my nails and now I'm ready to put it on. So this first, I'm gonna put it here on my thumb. So what I'm gonna do is just peel and then push it all the way, and then push it down like that. See how the effects of pushing back the cuticle? Of course, you need to press on the sides too, so make sure it sticks. So that's the first one. Now I'm gonna put on the second one. Okay, so you need to push all the way before you press. Push all the way and then boom. So there you go, you've seen how I put on my nails. It's so nice now. So after I put it, it's not yet the last step. So this will be the final step that you're gonna do. As you can see, there are some uneven nails here, so we need to file that just to make it straighten. So there you go, that is the final look of our nails for today. It's super nice, isn't it? I love it. I love it so much. So guys, there you go. That's how I do my nails. It's so nice, right? So my thoughts about this is I super love these products from Keys. So it's the new Impress Press-On Manicure. So by the way, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just sharing to you this easy and simple way of doing your nails so nice without going to the salon and paying much money for that. So for my review about this one, it lasts for 2 to 3 weeks depending on how you take care of it. So I super love fake nails since I don't have those nice nails. I already tried the acrylic, but it hurts my nail, especially when I bent it down accidentally. So that really hurts, guys. So it happened to me and I never did it again, but maybe in the future I'm gonna do it again. So this retails for $7 something, I don't know, and I think it depends on the store because some are more expensive. So I got this one at Rite Aid because it's the only drugstore close to our house. You can get it on all the drugstores here in the US. They have it at Walmart, Target, CVS, Rite Aid, yeah. And also for my viewers from the Philippines, they have this one. I just don't know where can you buy it and how much it is. But if you know Anakay and Unclutes, they also use this. But I think a shop on Instagram is sending them. So I don't know, just figure it out. It's very nice. It's worth a try. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial on how I do my nails. And lastly, if you want more of this video, I love Kiss so much because it's very easy to do. You can do it by yourself, DIY, and yeah, you can do it at home. I have all of these kits. This one is for the acrylic, which I did the first time. It was nice, but it hurt me because I broke my nail. This one is the deep powder system, and this one is for like nail extension. So if you want me to give a review on those kits also, just leave a comment down below and say what your thoughts about this video and my nails. So yeah guys, thank you again for watching, and please don't forget to like this video if you do, and subscribe to my channel to be part of my hashtag FamiLYNDZY. See you on my next vlog. Bye!